ERP or MRP transactions can be split across different districts. Distribute data using multiple SigmaNEST profiles. Orders can be segregated for balancing or site locations. Map a specific district to a unique SigmaNEST profile. Easily populate part or order information in a CSV file. Specify the target district in each transaction. Provide transaction data via CSV files or SQL query. SimTrans processes each district individually. Review log output for results. SigmaNEST users can view real-time data feedback. Parts are ready for processing.